Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Doesn't matter if you have a big fifth wheel or a small fifth wheel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 must-have aftermarket accessories. Let's get started. First and foremost, hands down, the most important will be a backup camera. I recommend the Furrion brand. This is going to be very important. Now, there's 4 types: wireless and hardwired. Depending on which fifth wheel you have, that's going to determine which one you want to buy. Also, there is the backup camera and the observation camera. Here's the difference. The backup camera only goes on once you're in reverse. And the observation camera shows you what's going on behind you at all times. The observation camera is a little bit more money than the backup camera. In my opinion, I recommend that you get the observation camera. It is well worth the additional money. And they're super easy to install. I recommend you buying them yourself off Amazon. I have links to both of them, the backup camera and the observation camera, in the description below. Also, I'll have a link to another video showing you how to install them yourself. The next one, and I hate to say it, but it's slide toppers. These are so important. What slide toppers do, they protect debris and leaves and nuts and anything that falls on top of your slide right there. They protect it from sitting on top of there. So you have 2 options. One, you can either get a slide topper, or 2, you need to sweep off the slide outs every time you close it, and it's a pain in the butt. Here's why I'm so upset about it. Because in my opinion, slide toppers should be standard on every fifth wheel out there. You're spending this much money for a fifth wheel, it should come with a slide topper. The problem is, when you have 5 slide outs, slide toppers can get up there in price. So, this is an Alpine. Somebody might not buy this Alpine because it's $2,000 more than the competition, and the customer might not realize that the reason that it's $2,000 more is because the slide top. So it's one of those things that either all of them have to do it or none of them have to do it. Like with a motorhome, they all have slide toppers on them. But with fifth wheels, since there is some brands that don't want to put them on, none of them can, so they can be price point competitive. And if you're really handy, you can install slide toppers yourself, but I recommend that you get them done at a dealership. It will cost a little bit more money for the labor, but that way it's done right. Great, so before I show you the third and final must-have aftermarket accessory for your fifth wheel, I will be giving away one of the 3 aftermarket accessories to one of my subscribers. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna show you the third and final accessory that you need, and then I'm going to tell you how to win. Great, so you ready? I saved the best for last. Here they are. These are the all-new solid steps by Lippert Components. There's other brands that make these, and I will have a video about the other brands of solid steps as well. But doesn't matter which brand you buy, they're all fantastic. So check it out. Instead of the old steps like this, you now have these. These are solid. Look at these. These aren't going anywhere. You know, when you get out of your fifth wheel, you know, you're going like this, and these are solid steps. They are so much better than the old steps, and they're absolutely incredible. As you can see on this new RV, they are starting to become standard on most fifth wheels. But if you love your fifth wheel, you can purchase these steps for less than 500 bucks. And again, I'll have a link to them in the description below. Great, so that's it. The top 3, not 5 or 10 or 20, 3 must-have aftermarket accessories for your fifth wheel. Now, here's the fun part. I am going to be giving away one of those 3 accessories to you, one of my subscribers. Here's how you do it. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and click the link in the description below to my website. It is mattsellsrvs.com. You can click either of those links because it takes you to my website. Then all you do is fill out your first name and email. That is it. And then you're entered. Not only that, you're entered for every single giveaway I do on my channel forever. And then that's it, one time. Great, so that wraps up this whole video. Make sure you share it on Facebook with your friends so your friends have a chance to win as well. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.